The smartphone world is buzzing with excitement because Xiaomi 16 and other major flagships are rumored to be the very first premium devices of 2026, with an official launch possibly happening on September 24th, just weeks away. And this news has taken the tech community by storm as everyone anticipates what could be the next big leap in mobile innovation. And if the rumors are correct, Xiaomi's flagship successors to the Xiaomi 15 are coming much sooner than expected, fueled by the fact that both Qualcomm and MediaTek are advancing their timelines this year, with Qualcomm officially confirming that its Snapdragon Summit in Hawaii will take place on September 23rd, where the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset will be unveiled, while MediaTek is expected to introduce its next-generation Dimensity 9500 processor a day earlier, and these announcements will pave the way for smartphone giants like Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Honor, Motorola, and even gaming-centric brands like RedMagic to unleash their new devices right after, creating a packed lineup of cutting-edge Android flagships. And according to reliable Chinese tipster digital chat station, Xiaomi could not only launch the Xiaomi 16 on September 24th, but also introduce the Xiaomi 16 Pro Max as the new ultra-premium offering until the even more advanced Xiaomi 16 Ultra arrives in early 2026. And this timing makes sense because smartphone manufacturers want to capitalize on the hype generated by the new chipsets. And the launch window of September 24th to September 26th is being considered the most likely period for Xiaomi's big reveal, at least in mainland China. But as always, global customers will have to wait a bit longer before these devices hit shelves in Europe, the US, and other international markets. And this aligns with a larger trend where Chinese brands are racing to be the first in the world to showcase the most powerful next-gen hardware, with teaser campaigns expected to start as early as September across all major players. And this means September will essentially be the start of the 2026 smartphone wars, with one company after another trying to one-up each other in design, performance, camera technology, and AI-driven features. And while Xiaomi is taking the lead, rumors suggest that Vivo might also push its X300 Pro to international markets earlier than expected, giving global consumers a taste of the upcoming innovation sooner. But traditionally, Samsung sets the pace in the West with its Galaxy S series. And if history repeats itself, the Galaxy S26 lineup will likely be the first 2026 flagship to launch in Europe and the US, giving Samsung its usual advantage in those markets. Yet in China, the momentum is all about Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, Honor, OnePlus, and others who thrive on fierce competition and constant product refresh cycles. And this year looks even more intense because the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 is rumored to deliver breakthrough AI capabilities, performance efficiency gains, and next-level gaming experiences, while MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 will also bring aggressive competition with powerful image processing, camera enhancements, and better battery management. And this arms race between Qualcomm and MediaTek makes September's launch window even more exciting, because smartphone brands will instantly integrate these new chipsets into their upcoming devices, creating a flood of announcements and releases, and Xiaomi is expected to dominate headlines with the Xiaomi 16 lineup that will include not only cutting-edge displays, upgraded camera systems, and lightning-fast charging, but also heavily optimized software features designed to maximize the potential of the new Snapdragon and Dimensity chips. And even though the Xiaomi 16 Ultra will likely not launch until Q1 2026, the Xiaomi 16, 16 Pro, and 16 Pro Max are shaping up to be strong contenders for the best phones of the year. And what makes this launch cycle even more intriguing is how close it comes after the unveiling of the chipsets themselves, meaning Xiaomi and others have clearly prepared for this early release strategy, aiming to be the first to grab the spotlight before Samsung enters the scene. And for tech enthusiasts, this creates a thrilling race to see which device will define the star of 2026 in terms of innovation, design, and raw power. And while Chinese customers will be the first to get their hands on these devices, global fans can still look forward to teasers, leaks, and eventual rollouts that will keep the excitement alive well into the new year. And whether you are Team Xiaomi, Team Vivo, or loyal to Samsung, one thing is certain: September 2025 going into 2026 is going to mark a turning point in the smartphone industry, where flagship releases come earlier, competition intensifies, and consumers benefit from faster innovation cycles. So keep your eyes on September 24th, because that could be the date when the Xiaomi 16 makes its grand debut alongside a wave of Android flagships, setting the stage for the smartphone battles of 2026. And as always, we will keep you updated on every leak, rumor, and official announcement here on TechVerse, your go-to channel for everything tech.